Go from here, we're going to go close and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to do in and out. 1, 2, 3. On the fourth count, I'm going to make a connection with her, and I'm going to push her rib from the right hand little upwards. It's going to look like this. Right, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, I'm going to slide 5, 6. On 6, I am not collecting my leg like this. 6, and I'm going to use the shoulder. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Focusing on the shoulder. 7, 8. Now from here, we're going to do a anti-clock rotation from the rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bringing the hand down and make her do Tarashinya. 7, 8. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Faster. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8. 1, 3, 5. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Prepare. Make the girl turn and bring her in the wrap. 5, 6, 7, 8. So boys are doing a side wave from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And they're also going to bring their hip downwards. At the same time, the girl is doing the forward wave. 5, 6, 7,
so
go.
She's keeping tension on the hand so that she understands the wave with the connection of the chest. You can also continue with connection with the side when it is appropriate.
So right now we have 4 points. Point 1, point 2, point 3 at the back, and point 4. So 4 connections. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have a 5th connection, which is from my leg. 5. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I also bring my hips from here. 5. Now from here my wave will start reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to bring this hand straight towards down, down, down. And I'm going to make a tabletop position.
For the follower, she has to push and lean against the partner for the tension so that she can go back.
From here, I don't have to use my right hand. My right hand steady there. I'm pushing my left hand. Push.
And the follower is collecting on 8.
Same hand, I'm bringing her again, go down, and she will be starting from her head first. Down, down, down. Again, sit down and body wave. 5, 6, 7, collect. Basic, basic, basic. Basic, basic. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, and 7, 8.